welcome to another video. My Riz Masters. Today we're not playing a game, but today we're gonna experience nature. That's right, you know lives. You're going to get a taste of nature. Yeah. It's for these no lives out there that only stay inside all day and need to touch grass. All right, children, let's go.
Hold on.
Get in the touch. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be so wet after this from the rain and puddles. Whee! Alright. Look at my feeties. Don't take feet pics, please, and sell them online. But if you do, I'm giving the money. I take 75% cut. Anyways. That's just like a joke. Okay. If you are, you literally have to use. Oh, give me 75%, Tug. All right. This is only gonna be like 8 minutes long. Maybe like 10 if I'm feeling really special. Oh wow, scary! The ultimate alpha wolf has been awoken. Okay, I really need some help. But then again, my friends like it. Like, my yeah. I'm gonna have to wash out on another yo-yo cake. Yo-yo cake from, what is it again? BFDI, right, yeah. From that One Object show. Riz is cute. Battle for Dream Island. More like Battle for Death Island. Why did they literally Phantom Pack Dream Island? Levy, how dare you? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna put spoilers, and you'll probably see a spoiler sign. If I don't, then yeah. Please. That's like something my brother said, so it was like kind of funny. So, all right, it was just a walk. Oh my gosh, well, my sandals are gone. Looks like they're being washed away. That's so weird. It's almost like, no, I'm joking. Sandals, I love you. Come back. I love you. You're my friend now. Please be my Riz. Please be me. Please be my BBB, my baby boy. Okay, oh my gosh. Watch my feet. So tragic. Oh. The other one's drowning. Hold on. Okay. Stop drowning. Stop drowning. Alright. Let's go touch some grass. I do that every day. Like, no joke. I get out, like, where I from left. Oh my gosh. Okay, you get what I mean. Continuing from when I left off. Anyways, I sandal flew out just on my back because a dang puddle decided it wanted to splash on me on my back, and now my back is like dirty. So I'm not gonna show it now. But oh, that's so warm. Think of it like, hold on. Think of it like warm milk. This is like warm milk. But unlike warm milk, when you touch it, unlike warm milk, when you touch it, it stays warmer all around your feet, Because, like, when you drink it, you get spilled. Okay, you get what I mean. I'm spinning like a ballerina. I don't know where the frick that song is from. Wait, you wanna know something scary? Oh, we in the marshlands now. You wanna go, boy? Oh. I was thinking about how there might be a snapping turtle in there. Yeah, Chad, I'm not walking in there. Let me just back up. Oh my god. college and sleep in the pool. Anyways, let's touch some grass. Guys, I don't care if I'm weird. Okay? You can go cry about it if you really have a problem with me being weird. A lot of people are weird. Especially kids. They're just like that, okay? I'm like, so, yeah. Literally, womp womp of you think I'm weird. Anyways, I'll post these videos for my own entertainment. Sometimes when I look back on them, I'm like, that was really cringy, and I decided to delete them. So, let's touch some grass. You know, you gotta stroke it. I'm not gonna say that. Somebody's gonna clip it out of context. I was gonna say you stroke the grass very gently, but minus the grass part. You know, I was gonna say that, but then I know somebody would probably find this video and just take it out of context. I don't know, some weirdo. But then I'm not that very popular unless I plan post a trendy video. Let me just bye grass. Let me look it up. Making good pics. Alright, we make memories. I could the rain decided to be evil to me. Alright. So I just like match all these videos together in CapCut, so that's why they'll be cut. More like CapCut. Okay, I need help. Alright. Touching nature, guys. And you can do this at home. Here's how you do it. First, you get your fat self up from your chair/bed and stop gaming/sleeping. Then you go to the door of your house, and then you go out, and you'll see grass and nature. But if you don't, you live in a bad city. Okay. I don't know, that's because I'm like walking like this. So that reminds me of a video. I should go see. Like, you know, I don't need a cure for me. Well, I don't know. No, Cure by Aurora. Is this how you say her name? I don't know. She's that girl that made Runaway. She means good son. Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yep, the Sigma male has awoken. I would run away. Oh, the race catches up to me. Alright, chat, let's go. Oh. Okay, fix it. Oh, kind of. Oopies. My hair is like, I don't like my hair when it's like wet. Oh, I think I made it worse. Okay. Play as I was saying. Okay. Walk in. 360 view. Have anything. Ooh. That's like some gasoline. And gasoline reminds me of Alihu por la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Me encanta la gasolina. Dame más Okay, I don't know the language, but I think those are lyrics. I don't know. I know it's a song called Gasolina. You guys have probably heard of it. Ooh. Comment on the table. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is really dangerous. Oh, I just found something. Beware. Go back, guys. Go back. Okay. Something we all hate. Wet mattresses. Wow, we're really springy. Now it's time for the alpha to come. I'm like, okay. I'm glad it's raining, kind of, because like here, there's like a lot of nature. I mean, there's gonna be bees and wasps. So, and I hate them. One time I got stung by a bee. Wasps, never, but I've seen that they hurt a lot. Like a lot. Oh, Salama. Pink coffee unicorns. Those. Da-da-da-da-da-da, cake. Crazy. If you follow the recipe by the book, then you'll have a cake. I don't know, there's something like that. It's kind of like a vlog or something. I don't know. I might. Listen, I don't know what this video is. It's just so you guys get to experience nature from your homes. Whether if we have another COVID, or the world is about to end, then you could, or like concrete jungle. Concrete. What I mean by that? No, I don't mean like Rihanna. Concrete jungle, wedding tomato. Anyways. Like, I mean, if our world literally has no nature, only some crops, because we literally have to keep nature. Yeah. Let me bounce on that bed. Let me bounce on it. That sounds really bad out of context. Context? Wow, I'm so good at speaking. I'm just like speaking, but you mess words up. For example, I can make a totally good sentence and speaking. Vergi God sentence. Speaking. You get like that. It was like, I had to pause this thing, okay? Don't squeak or squelch, and that is a hat with felt. So, yeah. People. Okay. I'm gonna go touch grass. Let's go. Alright. Oh my gosh, is that grass? Oh no, I can't. It's bullying me, and that's such a stroke it gently, and it will be nice to you. That reminds me of some people I know. Probably some people, also other people who do this. I don't. I'm too young to do this, okay? But they literally made out in chat. Like, they make out in chat sometimes. If you find this video, yeah, that's weird. That they will. Okay. Anyway, I kind of wish, like, serious online because I like people to think what my age is. I could totally act like an 8-year-old. But I'm not far from an 8-year-old. I'm 11. Okay. So, yeah. I don't know how many people are gonna watch this, but I don't really care, okay? This is fun to do. You know, like episode 5. Tadasa. Everyone just say TABC, not Tadasa. Stop. I should stop pronouncing words how they look, okay? Okay. You know, like in episode 5, she says, I post videos for fun, you know? This is a hobby. Sing, girly, to it! Oh, what is that? Oh, I can't show that. This is basically, smokeless tobacco is addictive. It's like, yeah, and it's wintergreen flavor. Is that a comb? No, please don't bring me back to the times where. Okay. Yeah, like, you know. Jeez, screen dying TBH. WTF. Go. I'm gonna run through. Okay. Time to get up on there. Like from, you know. Okay. Starts dancing on the pool table. If you get that reference, you get that reference. Slips and breaks in that cutely. If you get that reference, like I said, if you get that reference, you get that reference. It's a freaking phone case. That's so weird. Oh no. That reminds me of Claire Hawkins videos. Oh my god. Or like those people, you know, like, oh my gosh, that is so weird. And at the end, she like punches them. That felt so satisfying. She's like, oh my gosh, Sarah, look at you on the ground and twitching. Normally, people don't do that. That is so freaking weird. Yeah. People like not need to shut up. Sabow, however the freaking pronounce it, okay? Oh my gosh! Is that a mini thing? Look at it, it's so cute! I don't know what it is exactly. So, someone tell me in the comments. What is this? Hold on. Oh, it's a powder sachet! Oh, look at this powder sachet. It's so cute! Oh my god. Oh, and they got these cute tongs. Alright. Alright. I keep coming back. Something like that. That's like debut by Cat Time. Full rights go to them. Listen, I don't want to get copyrighted on one of my videos. Okay, it's already happened. I don't want it to happen again. Mommy wants to know you love me twice. Mommy wants to know I roll the dice. Da 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 da. We flexible into a winter. Now we put up under the let's jump on some tables and be idiots. Okay, so that's the weak spot, so I should probably just I don't know if I showed anyone of that. I mean, there is someone over there, but like, I should probably like probably like black them out. If I find it, it's in my video. Oh, oopies. This has gotta be, this has gotta be ruined. There ain't no way that printer's still surviving after that. Yeah, Chad, it's cooked. Ooh, the wet yarn. Ooh. It's an appetizer. Guys, I'm gonna go back to my appetizer. I don't have an appetizer, but an appetizer. Okay, I don't. Appetizer. Huh? Oh, okay. That is. Okay, don't mind that. Someone texted me today. I don't know what they said, but listen. Alright. Oh, what happens at the Christmas party stays at the Christmas party. Chat, I think I've been filming long enough. This video alone is 11 minutes and 48 seconds. Make that 55 seconds currently. So, like, yeah. So, I'm gonna end it here. What's a 0.6? I think it's 0.6. Like, guys, this is the end. Yeah.
You dealing with the body of course, or you dealing with the boss?
Is there?
And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.